This is a lesson number 59, part 9 of Natural Sapphire Inclusions in Sapphire Kingdom Gemology YouTube channel. Please subscribe and share to all to give the knowledge to our youth. This is our lesson number 59. We are moving. In here, we are learning natural sapphire inclusions. We will discuss this in next, I think. Right. From here, we have to discuss what is this. It is a natural sapphire inclusions, but it is a purple sapphire. You can see the rutile silk here. These are rutile silks. The sharp angular growth zoning of red bands is set against a background of unresolved rutile silk. You can see the rutile silk unresolved because no heat in this purple sapphire from Sri Lanka. When you see this in a purple sapphire, you can tell it is a natural stone, not heated. We are moving to next. In here, you can see the lighting condition here is dark field plus oblique fiber optic. There are two conditions together. If you forget lighting conditions, follow up the lesson number 48. There are 7 lighting conditions we are using to gem industry. So this is a negative crystal, a rocket shaped crystal. It is a quartz crystal. It seems like flying in this sapphire. It is a Sri Lankan sapphire. This quartz crystal shows no damages, no heating damages. So, and the environment was also very clear. So this stone is very clear. It is not the enhancement done stone. It is a natural stone. We are moving here. Look at the blue stone here. The lighting conditions here are diffuse light field plus crossed polars and diffuse light field. It is also Sri Lankan sapphire, natural sapphire, no heat treatment. A large negative crystal. It is double refractive crystal. So it shows double. That is Birefringent. Missile, like a missile flies into the sky. It seems like that. It is a natural inclusion in the Sri Lankan sapphire. When we go there, here, look at the inclusions here. Diffuse light field plus parallel polars are the lighting conditions here. In these negative crystals, we can see it is Sri Lankan sapphire. Negative crystals, we can see inside these negative crystals, there are daughter crystals. Another crystals. Inside the crystal, there are crystals. Then we are telling it is a daughter crystal. So daughter crystals are trapped inside the bigger one with carbon dioxide liquid fillings. All the daughter crystals here are filled with carbon dioxide gas, CO2 gas. And can you see here, diaspore needles? Diaspore needles. These needle-like inclusions are diaspore needles. It is common as well as hexagonal graphite flakes. The shape is hexagonal. Like corundum, all are hexagonal shapes. Hexagonal graphite flakes. Graphite also hexagonal like corundum. So graphite crystals are here. In this image, the stone is probed between parallel polars, and as it is turned, the tiny diaspore needles become iridescent, demonstrating their Birefringent solid state. The daughter crystals are included with CO2, carbon dioxide gas fillings. Now we are moving to next. Lighting condition is fiber optic oblique, only one. You can see yellow color here and the red inside the green. So it is a fluorescence. This stone is natural Sri Lanka stone. Red fluorescence from red color zones. You can see red color zones inside this stone. Red color zones are there. Red fluorescence from red color zones with one unusual yellow zone. It is unusual yellow zone. Yellow fluorescence. Red color and the yellow color gives as fluorescence in the sapphire found in Sri Lanka. It is also natural stone, natural Sri Lanka stone. When we go there, the lighting condition here is fiber optic oblique. Look at the rutiles here. And the red fluorescence inside the stone. See the color zones found in this sapphire, natural sapphire. See the fingerprint here. Rutile, red fluorescence of unusual red color zones. We can see inside the natural Sri Lanka stone. Please subscribe if you forgot to subscribe yet. Please share this, and when you are watching, take these screenshots and take printouts and file it under the lesson name. You need to understand well these things. You need to recheck everything and restudy everything to get the success. We are moving to next. Very beautiful, very beautiful fingerprint is here. What is the lighting condition? It is fiber optic oblique. You can see the rectangular shape of these. All are rectangular shapes. Iridescent fingerprint lies along a prism face. This iridescent fingerprint lies along a prism face by its rectilinear form. So these fingerprints betray the underlying atomic symmetry of the stone. It is very beautiful and iridescent fingerprint. The shape tells us this fingerprint lies along prism face by its c-axis. Now we are moving to next. This one also a natural sapphire, Sri Lanka sapphire, no enhancement. Look at the negative crystals here. What is the lighting condition? It is fiber optic transmitted light. So all the negative crystals you can see here with the fingerprint here. Well-formed negative crystals are a common feature of unheated sapphire in Sri Lanka. These often contains all the negative crystal. Inside the negative crystals, daughter crystals are formed with carbon dioxide contains bubbles. CO2 bubbles are inside these. So it is natural stone. Come here. Lighting condition here is fiber optic transmitted. You can see some mica crystals. These are Phlogopite mica. So it tells it is untreated. Nothing happened to these mica crystals. So Phlogopite mica in untreated Ceylon sapphire is like this. We are moving to next. Another Phlogopite mica. No damage. See the negative crystals and fingerprint here. And what is the lighting condition? Fiber optic oblique. Fiber optic oblique is the lighting condition. So this inclusion tells us it is a natural stone, no any enhancement done. Please subscribe and give a like and share. We are moving to next. Here also we can see all other Phlogopite mica in untreated Sri Lanka sapphire. Fiber optic transmitted light is the lighting condition here. Remember this. These are the inclusions you have to watch and remember. It is natural inclusion. Look at very beautiful thing here. Another fingerprint here. But all the shapes here are rectangular shapes. So it is parallel to C-axis. The prism face is parallel to C-axis. Then it creates the beautiful fingerprint like this. Right angles are there. All are right angles. All the shapes are right angles here. So a fingerprint with the right angle healing pattern when stone is creating. See the fingerprint here. All complete thing is a fingerprint. The curing pattern when it is cooling inside the lava. At these right angles indicates all are 90 degrees angles. All the shapes are right angles. It indicates that the fingerprint is located on or near a prism parallel to the C-axis. It is parallel to the C-axis. We learn it is not parallel to C-axis. Another shape will see. So remember this. If it is parallel to C-axis, so it tells us this stone is a natural stone. Here, lighting condition is fiber optic oblique. The iridescent pattern, it is also fingerprint. Iridescent fingerprint in untreated Sri Lanka color changing sapphire. This is color changing sapphire inclusion. Watch these and remember it. Nothing happened to these fingerprints by heat or pressure. In here, the lighting condition here is fiber optic transmitted, and there are negative crystals. This is the surface of the stone. Near the surface of the stone, negative crystals came here. Negative crystals are searching the surface of this natural Sri Lankan sapphire. In most cases, negative crystals cannot withstand high temperature, heating, and so when they are found in an unbroken state, they represent strong indications that the gem has not been heat treated. It is good evidence, remember. We are moving to next one. We will visit the natural sapphire inclusions part 10, the next lesson. It is lesson number 60, L space 60. Please subscribe and give a comment. Be kind enough to leave a like and comment after watching. Your comments will improve my service. Always follow the lesson number. You will win.